In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a crankshaft position sensor in a Jeep Cherokee, which is located in the engine compartment. Your crank sensor is located at the bottom part of the engine. It is a tight fit. It is a 10mm bolt. You want to take that out. And you can wiggle it side to side, twist it, and it'll come right out like that. You want to take a screwdriver, slide that red tab back, cut, slide that red tab back, go in here with a pick, lift, and unplug it. And there it is. Take your new crank sensor. You can put some lube on this O-ring. It's going to help you out when you put it and slide it into the block. So I'm going to slide and push. Make sure that's seated. Take your bolt. Slide it by hand. Snug up your bolt and tighten that to 80 inch-pounds. Plug your connector back in. Listen for that click. You will need to do a complete relearn procedure after completing this job.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.